Turf Invoicer is a computer program designed for managing turf farm operations. It enhances your ability to manage your operation from the time of receipt of an order to the stage of invoicing your customer, when a click of a mouse sends the invoice to an accounting program, either MyOb or QuickBooks. An immediate benefit of the program is that data is only entered once, at the stage of receiving the order. Once the order has been entered, the operator can very quickly organise harvesting, laying, and most importantly, logistics of delivery. This video will provide an overview of Turf Invoicer and its main features. To view a screen in more detail, pause the video. For further information and an in-depth demonstration of the product's benefits, see the contact details provided at the end of this video. First, let's enter a customer order. First, select your customer from the drop-down list by starting to type their name. The only compulsory fields in this order entry screen are the delivery date and a product supplied. Click the New Quote or Invoice button to create a new order. Tab through the fields to enter order information. The address field defaults to the customer's address, which can be overwritten as needed, while the state, postcode and map reference are populated automatically. Details of the order are now added. Note that paddock and price are populated automatically. On completion of order entry, delivery advice or invoice may be viewed or printed. A copy of the order may also be printed using the Print Order button. Now that the order details are entered, the order entry form is closed. To open the delivery schedule, select a date and click the button. This delivery schedule form is the main control centre. This is where you're able to organise your turf farm operations. At this screen, you can view each product ordered and ensure the details are complete and correct. The buttons along the top of the form give access to many of the important reports. Starting over at the left, we have the Refresh Page button, which organises delivery loads by transport and then into delivery order. Then we have the Layers report, with a separate section for each layer. Next, the Pickup report collates orders from different suppliers so they can be viewed, printed or emailed. Next, the Cutters form. Using any device connected to the internet, such as a notebook computer or iPad, the harvesting operator opens this form and marks each line item when he commences to cut, coloured green, and then marks it again when completed, coloured red. There are 4 cutting schedule options, which are organised by delivery, supplier or by product. These generate cutting sheets. Clicking Cutting by Turf is one of these options, in this case collated by product. Transport Setup allows you to add a departure time for each truckload, which is then added to the cutting sheet, and any comments relevant to that delivery. Driver's Run Sheet collates orders into delivery loads. The buttons at the bottom show the driver's run sheet information truncated to as few pages as possible, so as to enable the operator to see at a glance what is programmed ahead. You can check what is needed tomorrow, next week or the following week. The remaining buttons on this form are Email Layers, which sends the Layers report to every layer, Email Transport, which sends the driver's run sheet to each transport operator, and finally Navman, which produces an abbreviated report suitable for copying and pasting directly into the Navman base program. Now we return to the main menu to look at further options for maintenance, reporting and exporting data. All invoices for one day may be exported at once via the Export to Accounting button, or individual invoices may be selected for export. Invoices are only exported once unless reinstated. The Maintenance menu button brings up a collection of forms for setting up and maintaining your application. Reports menu lists all available reports. Just input the first day and the last day of the report range needed and click the appropriate report. Logistics menu opens a form to track communication with customers about their upcoming deliveries. Click the Projects button to produce a form for tracking large projects involving deliveries over more than one day. The Daily Orders button produces a reconciliation report comparing Turf Invoicer invoices with accounting invoices. This has been a brief overview of Turf Invoicer. This software can enhance your operations, improve productivity and accuracy, and reduce administrative costs substantially. If you would like to learn more or see a full demonstration, please call Paul on 0418 799 524 or email businesssolutions@iinet.net.au.